Hey everyone, this is Tyler here with Big Lakes Dodge here in High Prairie, Alberta. Today we're going to be talking about this 2024 model year Ram 1500 Classic Warlock Crew Cab. This color on here is billet silver metallic and the interior is black. You got your premium cloth bucket seats. The engine we're running on this bad boy is a 5.7 liter Hemi VVT engine with the FuelSaver MDS, and it's an 8-speed automatic TorqueFlite transmission. You got the park view rear backup camera in the back. You got the 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes. And these wheels that we're running on here, they're 20 by 9 inch gloss black aluminum wheels. Got your standard engine block heater, your 4-pin wiring harness in the back. Comes with electronic stability control. And you got the automatic headlamps in the front. Alright, just wanted to tell you a little bit about that. Give you a little walk around the vehicle here. And then we'll go pop in on the passenger side and I'll show you what's going on in here. Got the nice little racing stripe decals on the top. And now got the Hemi badging at the 5.7. These are some of the last Hemis that they're making because they're all making the high output and standard output Hurricane engines, the 3-liter twin turbos. But yeah, you open the passenger side, you got a little tiny storage there. Storage is here. Storage down there, you got your locks, your one-touch window. Hit that once, it goes down. Pop this once, it goes up. When you get in here, there's a manual seating. You got your nice premium cloth bucket seats. And you got a little storage compartment up here as well. You can put your phones or something, chargers, keep them out of the way. I don't know what you would use this for, but maybe you put, I don't know, if you vape or something, put your little chargers in there, something like that, or some coins. You got your manual in here with all your warranty information. And you got the nice Ram floor mats in here. Little storage spaces on the side here. It'll be good for paperwork if you're using it for work. Top in the passenger backside. You don't have the one-touch windows back here, but you got your window. You got the same storage as the front, pretty much, except there's no cup holder there. Your cup holders for this one is right here. And you got your cup holders right there. You don't want anyone spilling your drinks or you're driving around in the city or something like that. You're traveling, stop at McDonald's. You gotta make sure everyone has their own cup holder, right? You got nice little map holders or something like that. Storage areas in the back. Got some more Ram matting back here as well. Goes all the way across. Got your cup holders there. And it's a 60-40 split bench seat. Then you got that. You can lift that up. And if you want to haul something, then you can lift this up as well. It's got all this other matting and stuff like that in there for you. And if you wanted to, you pull these out. And then you could pop this down. You could store a little something right there. Have someone sitting on the other side. And you could also do it on that side as well. I'll show you when we go around here. And these are the 20-inch wheels I was telling you about. I got the mud flaps on the back. Dual exhaust tips, comes with the door package. And you pop this down. A nice little box here. Got the nice black badging everywhere here. Black badging on the Ram logo. Got the matte finish on the front and the rear bumper. Let's hop in the rear driver's side. Same deal as the other one. You got the nice accents going on here. Nice metal, leather. Then you got your normal door panel stuff here. You got your cross double stitching there. Storage area here. And you got your more maps and map area right there. And you can pop this seat up, like what I wanted to show you here. Oh, there's a little button there. And you got more storage right there. And if you wanted, you could pop this down and you'd be able to haul something fairly big in the back seat. And you won't have to worry about it flopping around. You could haul a big screen TV, put it straight across the back, not worry about it having to bounce around or break or anything like that. Put this button in here. And now that we're in the driver's side, you got all the same type of stuff on this door, but you got your power locks, your window locks, your windows, your auto one-touch windows for the front, and then you hit that automatic, and you hit it once again, automatic, and you hit it again here. This side on the driver's seat, it has power seats, and you got your dual lumbar control here. So if you have a bad back, this thing will pop out, it'll stick out a bit, so it'll give you more support on your lower back. And you got your headlight stuff here, and then you got your cargo lamp, and then you got your adjustable steering wheel. It goes up and down, tilting steering wheel. I'll put that down. All right, let's hop inside and I'll show you what else is in here for features. Now that we're inside here, I'll show you got your cruise control, you got your gear plus, gear negative, and you can go through your screen here with these buttons, and it'll go up. And you press this, you can switch to miles per hour. And driving in the States, that'll always be nice instead of just having a roughly estimate or using those small little numbers there. I'll give you an exact speed of what you're going in miles. And then you just hit that again and put it back to kilometers because we're in Canada. And you go up, and then you can enter your screen setup, and you can customize what you want to put up on these corners here. And you got your voice recognition software button. You can answer your phone. This truck is also Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto capable. And then if you connect your phone, you got your stored messages system here, and then it'll read your messages for you. It'll pull them up on your thing, and then you'll be able to see who's messaging you and what they're messaging. And you know what channel you're listening to. Right now it's on SiriusXM, and it's also AM, FM radio, and then you can Bluetooth your phone as well and play like Spotify or what is that, iTunes, Apple Music or something. And you got your trip, and then you got your other trip, trip A, trip B. You got your fuel economy. Then you got your idle, driving, total time. And then you got your tire pressure sensors. And your transmission temperature. Your oil temperature. Your oil life. Your gauge summary. It shows you all the gauges you need. And then we're back to the idle time. And you go up, back to speed. And this one isn't a push button start. It's a normal key that you put in. But it is a knob shifter, and you got your four-wheel drive lock, four-wheel drive low, two-wheel drive. You also got the heated steering wheel, heated seats, keep you nice and toasty for the coming winter months. You also got the park sensor in the rear, and you got your tow haul mode, traction control, and then you got all your screen off, screen back, and then how much air you want, how hot it is, how cold it is. Then you got your rear window defrosters or front and rear. I think this one doesn't have the lines through the back, so it just heats up your mirrors on the side on that one and right there. It'll make sure there's no frost on there in the winter, so you'll be able to see. And then you got down here, you got a little storage area here, and you can pull this out to clean it. You got a little phone holder, you just put your phone in there. And then you got a 12 volt DC plug-in. And you also got the 115 volt AC plug-in to where you can plug in a wall outlet charger. A little storage spot right there again. Got your cup holders, little storage area down here. Keep your wallet, something like that in there. And then you got your center console with the nice Ram logo. You pop that up, and you got a little change dispensers. You don't want your change just flying around. And right here, you got the auxiliary input, and then you got two USB ports as well. I think this one would be a good little spot to put like paperwork or something like that. Keep your maintenance stuff like that you got done in the truck in there. And then you close it and open it up even deeper. And you got all that stuff in there. It's just for when you remove the tailgate, so you keep the wires all nice and good so they don't get all dusty and stuff like that. But yeah, you'll definitely be able to store a purse in there for the wife or something like that. And then now let's go look at the screen up here. You got a little storage spot up there, forgot to mention. The screen is fully customizable. You can move these all around to whichever you see fit. And then you got, right now it's got the satellite radio, and if you connect your phone will be right there. And then you got your satellite radio, and then you got your AM FM, and then you can click your phone if you want to Bluetooth it, or if you want USB, you just pop it in right there. And then you got your climate control, everything that's down there. You could just control it from up here if you wanted to. You got your heated things like that. You got your heated seats and heated steering wheel. It'll be nice for the winter, especially when it's minus 30. And then you got your phone, and then all your information on your profile, your display, safety and driving assistance, your clock and date settings, your phone, Bluetooth, your camera. Let me show you that real quick. You just pop this in the reverse. And you got your rear backup camera as well. You got your mirrors and wipers, key off options, your audio, your notifications, SiriusXM setup. Comes with a free trial of SiriusXM Guardian as well. And what that is like you can download the app, and then you could start your vehicle from anywhere in the world. Say you're in the mall Christmas shopping and it's minus 30 out, and you're all the way across the mall, and you're just about to head out, and you want your vehicle to be nice and warm when you get back. With the SiriusXM Guardian, you'll be able to start your vehicle when you're in the mall, and then it'll be nice and warm by the time you get there. Got your software updates, your system information, and then you can reset everything right there. You could also change your themes, your language, your display mode, and then your touchscreen beep. You could turn it on and off. All that crazy stuff. If you like 24-hour mode, if you like 12-hour mode, just put that on. And yeah, you got all that cool stuff. And then you got all the apps right here. You got your activate services, your AM radio, your Android Auto, your roadside assistance, your audio settings, auxiliary cable, your backup camera. You pop that and it shows that again. And then your Bluetooth. And then you got your comfort, your controls for your vehicle, device manager, driver heat, driver profiles, FM radio, heated steering wheel. And if you need help with anything, you press the help button. And then you got your media, your mirror dimmer. And the thing with your mirror dimmer is if you're driving behind at night and somebody's brighting you, this will automatically dim. Except if you're in a parking lot and then you're in reverse, then it'll automatically turn off your dimming. You got your phone, your settings, SiriusXM, your SOS, and then all your tutorials, and you'll be able to click on that and it'll show you a little bit more about the Uconnect system we have here. And you got your Wi-Fi hotspot if you want to buy the Wi-Fi package. And then you store notifications. And another thing I wanted to mention, the SOS button right here. Let me focus, sorry. Your SOS and your roadside assist. The SOS button, if you get into an accident and then you can't call emergency services on your own, it'll automatically dispatch emergency services to your location, all the while putting all your four-way hazards on, turning your interior lights on, cutting off your fuel, and unlocking all your doors. And I think I said it'll turn all your interior lights on, but that's a pretty good safety feature we have in case you get into an accident in the dark and you're like roll over a guardrail so you can't call anybody. They'll be able to see you because everything will be on. You'll be flashing. They'll see something down there. So you will be safe. And I think that pretty much covers it, what was going on in here, other than the dome lights up here. Pop these on. Yeah. If you like what you see here, come stop by Big Lakes Dodge here in Prairie, Alberta. And then we'll hopefully work out a deal, take you out on a test drive. And if you fall in love with the truck, maybe you'll drive it home the same day you test drive it. All right, everyone. Take care.